Good day to each and everyone. My name is Wendy H. Dicoto, Bachelor of Elementary Education major and generalist. So for now, we will going to present to you my table setup for breakfast. So for our menu in this breakfast, I will just simply cook ginisang talong and sunny side up egg. Since our breakfast are sunny side up egg with ginisang talong dish, of course, if you are wonder, for the first one, we have the sunny side up egg. It will belong to protein. Somehow, the egg yolk of the egg are exactly belong to fats. And as a matter of fact, what we can see from the sunny side up egg dish, that was all belong to micronutrients because the sunny side up egg are consist of protein and fats. Then for the ginisang talong dish, of course, it belong to macronutrients since the eggplant are vegetables. And of course, the tomato are also belong to micronutrients. And before I forgot, part of my breakfast dish are the cereals, in which cereals are also part of macronutrients. I prepare all of these dishes because I know that breakfast are very important to a person, in which it contributed to bulk energy uh, we need for our daily activities. So, all in all, for my dishes or my menu for breakfast are cereals with sunny side up egg with ginisang talong. And by the way, for all as we know, when it comes to food pyramid, the sunny side up egg are belong to protein, grow food, ginisang talong are grow food since it is vegetables, and cereals are So now we are done in slicing the eggplant we have here. So as you can see. So now, after we slicing the eggplant, we have to slice first, that as the second, the tomato. So in tomato, we have to remove the seeds inside. So let us try to slice it at first. So as you can see, we were going to start now to slice the tomato. So let us try to watch this. Okay, so we are done in slicing the tomato. All we have to do is to simply remove the seeds inside the tomato. So we are done in removing the seeds of the tomato. So now let us try to slice it again into a small bit of pieces. So let us try to see this. So as you can see, here. So as you can see, we already removed the seeds. So now let us proceed in slicing this one into a little bit. Okay? So watch this, how to slice into a small pieces. So here, like this, like this. Ayan. So now we are done with slicing. So as you can see here, it turns into small cubes. So here. So we are done in preparing the ingredients. So now let us try to cook the ginisang talong. So as we can see, we are done with slicing. Now let's proceed with how to cook the ginisang talong. So as we can see, we have to open the stove at first for them to be lightened. Yan, you can see. And also we have to heat up the fry pan. Ayan. So if the fry pan will be heated, we have to put the oil into the pan. And wait for a bit of minutes to heat the oil then. And since the oil are heated, we have to put the tomato already. Tomato juice already. Put it for some seasonings. Of course, we have also to mix the soy sauce. So here. Set up the table. In setting up the table, I prepare a breakfast table setup. And as you can see in that picture, that is the proper table set up for breakfast. However, sadly to inform that there are some of my utensils are just an alternative one only, especially the knife, since we don't have a knife for butter and so on. That's why I use an alternative one. But all in all, at the end, I completely made it for preparing a table setup. As we can see, I have here a napkin in the picture, luncheon plate, a cereal bowl which is alternative also, bread and butter plate, cup and saucer with teaspoon, water glass, a juice glass, fork, alternative knife and spoon. That was the main utensils that we need to prepare in order for preparing a table set. For the luncheon plate, I made a sunny side up egg, which is the grove food. Vegetables are grove food. Cup of rice are grove food. For the bread and butter, I made a simple sandwich, which is the bread, our carbohydrates, cheese, our proteins, and avocado for fats.